6 minutes left to go in today's session. Time now for the closing countdown as we look to close out a bumpy week. Let's trade the close with TD Ameritrade Trader Strategy Manager Shawn Cruz. So, Shawn, how would you describe what we saw this week in historical context and what sort of opportunities that opened?
Well, I've taken a look at just the volatility of what we've been seeing from a lot of these sectors so far this week, and it's really kind of played out exactly how you would expect it to. So it's felt a little bit more orderly, and that some of the more defensive sectors, think of healthcare, utilities, were actually not as volatile as, say, some of the sectors that are more cyclical and a lot more exposed to this U.S.-China trade issue. Those have been a little bit more in the volatile, higher volatility ranges. So you can look at some of those mid sectors. I think consumer discretionary, if you're looking for an opportunity to maybe buy in one of these pullbacks, you can find some opportunity maybe in some of the consumer discretionary names, but you do have to be choosy when you're going in there.
What about the volatility level itself on the VIX in terms of the way that reacted and where it stands now? What do you expect going forward?
Well, I think you're going to have to expect that this volatility is going to play out, is going to continue to play out over the next couple weeks as we get more headline risk coming in. I expect the VIX to remain elevated. I don't know that you're really going to see a massive spike. And if you think about it, in previous bouts of volatility, we've seen the VIX run up to 30 and actually get above 30 at times. This time around, it went right up to, say, the mid-20s, and it started to pull back gradually. So I think that shows you that the market is wary of what's going to be coming out here over the next couple of weeks, but it's not in full-on panic mode.